All right, this is my lock reassembly video for green. First thing we're going to do is we're going to add the sidebar springs back into the lock. Okay. The next thing is going to be adding the sidebars, the side pins themselves. All right, next we're going to add the sidebar springs, the worst springs ever made, I think. Then we'll take the key and use that to hold the side pins in the correct location while we insert the sidebar. You can see that the sidebar does operate. We can reinsert that into the body of the lock. And we can add the tailpiece. All right, now I'll remove the key and we can add all of the pins. Starting from the back, I'll add key pin, followed by driver pin, and then spring. And continue that process for the rest of the lock. It's important to note on this particular lock, because we are using non-symmetrical driver pins, it's important to make sure that the head of the gin is facing towards the key and the flat section is facing towards the spring. If you don't do this, the lock will become dramatically easier to pick. Probably at the level of perhaps one of the standard pin locks made by Sargent or something. Finally, we need to re-add the cover. I'll make sure to push down the springs each time that I do this, so as to avoid mangling them. Feels like I was slightly hitting the previous spring. Re-add this last one. And there we go. That's a fully assembled Assa Twin 6000 with gins.